Hey consumers, it's me Prasad Vishwadak, your Indian consumer, back with another interesting video. Today here from Singapore. So I am at the East Coast Park of Singapore, where you get the famous chili crab and pepper crab. That is what I've heard now. These dishes are really expensive, and today I'm going to eat that whole crab in front of you people. The chili crab and pepper crab is a really famous seafood dish available here at Singapore. और famous है तो यार try करना बनता है, क्योंकि हम ठहरे खाने के शौकीन. What's say Pancha?
Yes. Although I'm not going to try it, although I'm a vegetarian Panchu, but
Yeah.
still I want him to try it.
And I've heard that the smallest size is of around 1 kg, and it is really expensive. I guess I'll have to shell out some $80 to $100. So we'll check out the Jumbo Seafood Center, which is right here in front of me, the restaurant, which is also very famous for this particular dish. Let's go. So as you can see, there are many seafood joints here. We inquired about the chili crab at the Long Beach, and it was for around $80 for the minimum, the smallest crab, which is about 1 kg in weight.
पंचा तो इतना खाएगा क्या?
I'll single-handedly have to finish the entire 1 kg crab. Now we are going towards the Jumbo Seafood Center, और वहाँ पे देखते हैं what is the rate of the crab. And I think I'll go for the pepper crab. I've heard that the pepper crab tastes better than the chili crab. So if I have to invest so much money, let the taste be good, right? $74 for the smallest crab, which is around 800 grams.
You can share for 2 people. No problem.
Okay. Alright lady, please have a seat. Let me. We want the pepper crab.
Okay.
Yeah. So guys, I'm going for the smallest one. And as per the gentleman, the smallest one can be eaten by 2 people. What is the speciality about this crab? It comes from Sri Lanka. Hi. So as per this beautiful lady, the crab is all the way here from Sri Lanka. It is spicy and hot. Great. I love that. Okay, so they have a variety of seafood items which you can try from. This is the chili crab, that's the black pepper crab, and you can see here the prices are seasonal. Those are the details of the biggest crab that you can get here. 1.1 kg for $96.80. Deepika got that information for us as if she is going to eat it. And we are waiting since about 15 minutes now? Yeah. So the waiting here can be half an hour to 1 hour.
Yeah.
अब रहा नहीं जा रहा भाई, क्या बताएं? Alright, so here we have the pepper crab. Now it is not all that big. I expected it to be a little bigger. And the chili crab comes with a gravy. The pepper crab is not with a gravy. It is kinda really expensive. Everything depends on the taste. So let's go for it. It's good. Really good. Things are going to get messier. The shell of the crab is really hard. My god. The buttery and peppery flavor is really nice. Loving it. I think I'll have to use this now. Don't even try that. It won't happen. Use this instead. Even that can be difficult. This will help. Yeah, it does. So we have ordered a gravy and bun as well by giving extra $5. It's really difficult, guys. Like, अगर आपने पहले नहीं खाया है तो wow, and it's hard.
Oh my god.
That was hard. The entire juicy meat glazed in the butter and the pepper. I'm going for it. It's nice. It's so good.
Just like the ones I used to know.
So there were no eggs inside, but directly I'm going for the body. Directly putting my thumb inside. Wow guys, wow, this is so good. Completely soaked in that peppery butter. Tender, soft, fresh meat. This is the chili crab gravy, and these are the buns. Now these are fried buns, and I'll tell you how the chili crab tastes like.
Oh my god.
So be careful. It is spicy and sweet. Has a tomato flavor to it. Even the buns are a little sweet.
Okay.
Nice and soft. But these are fried buns. Now if you ask me personally, I like the pepper crab taste better. You know what I'll do? I'll just do this. I'm done.
Are you still hungry?
Not anymore. 2 दिन तक नहीं. Need to eat some veggies now. Oh my god guys, what an experience. My lips are still burning. So now the big question, was the experience fatafati? Fatafati matlab awwal ek number, awesome. Now this was for all those people who don't watch UIC vlogs. So was it fatafati? Definitely it was fatafati. Two great things about the entire experience. Firstly the crab, secondly this beautiful view. Now the best part was I got to experience both the taste, the chili crab as well as the pepper crab. I took the gravy of the chili crab, which I did not like that much compared to the pepper crab. Pepper crab had that strong black pepper taste, no sweetness there, along with a lot of butter, whereas the chili crab was sweet and sour along with a lot of tomato taste. I still have the taste here. Pepper crab was definitely fatafati. It was a awwal fatafati, could have been darja fatafati if they would have reduced around $25 on it. This crab along with the buns and the gravy costed a total of $100.
5 cents.
And 5 cents, yeah. $100 को अगर Indian currency में convert करो तो around 5,100 rupees. Woo! For a single crab which is caught from Sri Lanka and then got here and then marinated and presented beautifully in front of you. Wow, God bless that crab, man. It was bloody amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I loved eating the crab. I'm so sorry for shamelessly eating in front of you guys. But yes, that was the whole purpose of making this video. And if you're planning to come to Singapore, you definitely need to check out my vlogs on UIC Vlogs. Type UIC Vlogs Singapore, you'll get all my videos. So do subscribe to that channel as well and be a part of the UIC family. For now, this was Prasad Vidpadak, your Indian consumer, signing off. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, do remember to surf before you swipe. And if you don't need, you don't buy. Bye-bye. I'll catch you on my UIC Vlog channel. Bye-bye. मतलब साला शुरुआत यहीं से हुई है यार, तो इस जगह को कैसे भूलूं।